episode of DakotaBusy, I throw my mower over a cliff. Okay, this is the Troy Bilt TB200 walk behind lawnmower, and I cannot get this thing to start. It's kind of starting to act up on me last fall, so I'm going to assume it's the carburetor. I have read that some people have issues with it starting if this valve is stuck open, but this one is closed and I cannot get it to start. So I'm going to replace the carburetor. I bought a new air filter as well, and we could change the spark plug, and hopefully between that combination we'll be able to get it to go. Okay, to start off, we might as well remove this is the cover for the air filter. It's just a little tab here you lift up, comes out. That's the cover. Air filter will just slide off. Now we'll take this top piece off, and there's 3 bolts. You're going to need a 5/16 inch driver. Next step, we need to remove these 4 bolts. The 2 outside ones are still the 5/16 that you used before, and the 2 inside ones will be 9 and 9/32. Now this piece should just slide off. There's a hose in the back. You just pull the hose off of it. That's all it is. One thing I did forget to tell you is remove the spark plug boot too. They always say to remove it just in case the engine starts up. So just pull that for safety. Alright, the next thing we need to do, if you have some fuel that's still in your tank, you can either drain it by pulling this. There's a clamp right back here. You take a pliers, pinch it, and you can slide that hose off. Or I'm going to just clamp it right here so the fuel will not continue to go in, and then remove it. And then I'm just not going to drain it. I'm just going to leave it clamped. Alright, once I had the fuel line clamped, I slid it off of here. This is the housing for the hose, and then the tank itself will come out of, just slides up out of these 2 grooves, and then I set that out of the way. Alright, once that is done, you can slide the carburetor out. Then you will have to remove the choke and the throttle cable linkage. So once you remove those, the whole carburetor itself will come out. Now looking at the new carburetor that I'm going to install, it looks like I'm going to need this piece. And once I have this off, I will zoom in so you can see that. Okay, so here's the one that I bought. I could put the Amazon link below for you as well. So here it is. So it looks like I got the right one. So the top piece here, this is what I was talking about. This piece where the cable attaches into. I believe I'm going to have to, looks like it just pops on and off. So I will take this one off, the old guy, put that on there, and then we can put this all back together. There's the new carburetor installed. So now just put everything back in reverse, put it all back together, and with a little luck, your mower will start working again. Old one, new one. So pretty.